Assalamu alaikum. I'm very happy Republic Day to all of you. After that, thank you so much for all of you to listen to me and invite me again at the MM Rabbani. I'm privileged. And thank you so much, Mr. Khan sir, for that generous introduction me. After that, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. First of all, I want to share some of my experience about AFME. It stands for American Federation of Muslims of Indian Origin. It was in Gala Award ceremony where I have invited with my parents. There, the foreign personalities were there to felicitate the meritorious students of all over the India. I was representing my state, Maharashtra, proudly there. That was proud moment for all of us. And after that, I learned one thing, that if you want to get success or want to get respect, so first you have to give a reason for that. So please try to give your best in your studies. One more thing is that being a gold medalist, I have seen a failure at every step. So you have to face failure at every step, and please try to overcome your weaknesses. After that, all the best to all the 12th students for your examination. All the best, and thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुस्फेरा फिरदौस। इन्होंने अपनी बात में कहा कि आपको अगर कुछ ज़िंदगी में बड़ा बनना है तो अपनी जो कमज़ोरियां हैं, जो वीकनेसेस हैं, उन पर काबू पाना होगा, यानी उन्हें दूर करना होगा। अपने वीक पॉइंट्स डिस्कवर करके उनके ऊपर मेहनत करना होगा और फिर आपके लिए कोई रुकावट नहीं होगी।